received this beautiful halter from Ronnie Malek, and we're gonna unbox it with Sally. She finds it a bit scary. Come on, Sally. Sally. Kies op 1. I'll take the plastic off because she thinks it's scary. Oh, careful. Sally. Look at this! Sally. Sally. Ah. Dat is mooi. And we've got also a rope. Sally. Kom eens. Deze? Ja. It's a dark blue halter. Let's see how it fits her. Oh. Sally, kom eens. Hey. Kom eens. Kom eens. Zo. Oh. Zo, deze zit vast. Kom eens. Oh. It's a bit small. I have to make it a bit bigger. Oh. Oh. It's mooi. Wow. Rope. You're so beautiful. Kom eens. It's still a bit small, so I have to make it a bit bigger. Yeah. You have a big head. Spread a bit. You look beautiful, Sally. So we want to thank Ronnie Malek so much for this beautiful present. I think Sally is really happy with it and it fits her perfectly. The color is really nice on her head. So thank you so much for your present.
Een brief. Hey, rechtje. Hey. Rechtje weet nog dat er wat lekkers in pakketjes zit. Ja. Wat denk je? Krijgen we wat? Nee. Rijntje. Rising Star. Het is uniek. Renze Janko. Hey, uniek. Ja, we hebben weer wat. Dit is. Ja, toch? Cobra. Okay. Dear Yvonne, I have been wanting to write you a letter for so long. Your YouTube videos have been so comforting. Your beautiful Frisian horses, lovely stable and meadows. I have learned so much from you about the proper way to ride and many details about Frisian horses, which are so wonderful. I love seeing you with Unique and Rising Star. My heart still loves your little star. Thank you for sharing your life, family and friends with us. Lisa. Oops. This is from Dales from the United States. Heather from Heather. Dear Yvonne and the rest of the staff at Stal van der Goingemiden, thank you for sharing your videos with us. Hey, Sanne en Frida, de zusjes. Nee, net dan. Thank you for sharing your horses with us. It is wonderful to me to see how special the Frisian breed is and how much care and effort has gone into preserving these beautiful animals. Goed zo. Hey, wie is zo? Renze Janko. I saw your videos last May about Frisians and peppermints. Yeah. I thought you seemed disappointed with the result. Aren't horses supposed to like peppermints? Yes. Perhaps they will like these better. Typical horse peppermints are larger candies which are mostly sugar. The appeal naturally is the sugar rather than the peppermint flowers. Hallo. Hallo. That was only this. Ah. Hey, net wet wel, jongen. Hey, the two I'm sending are called Canada Mints and Starlight Mints. Net wet bij me in de buurt komt. Hey. Nee, ik neem maar mijn telefoon. Nee. Nee. Hoi. Nee. Nee. Nee, nee, nee. Zullen we wel wat hinders nou? Daar komt er eentje gewoon. Frida. Nee, eentje. Nee, Rinse Janko. You can find them at any grocery store. Canada mints are harder to find. I remember them being more common when I was younger, but I had to special order these. Okay? Both kinds are safe for horses in small amounts. They are again mostly sugar. The humans at the stable will probably enjoy them too. I will try. Please give a few extra to Rijntje for me. No, 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 no. Hey, Rijn af het. Doe ik. Nee, 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 nee. Net wel, Sanne. Nee. Oké. Daar ben ze. Kunnen we het zien? Nee. Doe. Hey. And of course I would love to see if Minsataya becomes Peppermint Sataya. That's a good one. Thank you for all your wonderful videos and I wish you all the best. Heather with a second name. Thank you, Heather. I did saw a little bit of peppermints and I smell them. I think the horses do smell them also. No. Hey, Rijntje, daar roep ze, hè? Rijntje. Well, I give her these a try. And I wanted to make another, she don't want to. I want to make another peppermint test video. Because we also received, I think, kind of these. But I'm not for sure anymore. And we test all of them. So we can see which one is the best. Yeah. Sanna? What? No? Ah, Rinse. Is je Rijntje? Tja. Yes, yes. Oh. Do you like them? Try another one. Sanne en Rinse Janko. Zie je Rijntje? I can't see it that good. Oh, nee, Frida. Oh, it's Hester. Sorry, Hester. Do you like them? Push. Well, we're going to test it another time when the horses are inside and we have the time for it to test it all. Echt, Rinse Janko, don't do that. So we can test which one they like the most. And if they like them. Nee, I take one myself too. Nee, ik crash niet meer. Nog één. Oké. Au, au. Nice. Well, thank you Heather. And we will see. Hey Uniek. Was dat misschien een pepermuntje? Hé? Zeg eens. Oh. Nou. Wie wil een pepermuntje? Rechtsje? Rechtsje. Hey, Edwan. Nee. Stop. Hey, Edwan. Esther. Rijntje. Hoor op. Oh. That's why I don't give treats in the meadow. Rechtje? Sjerkje? Kom dan. Hallo? Kom maar. Ik net. Achter is Renze Janko. Dit is Sanne. En dat zijn Rising Star en Reina. Echt. Rechtsje? Kom eens. No. Why? Why? Rising, kom eens. Rising. Sanne. En Frida nog niet aan. Frida. Is dat misschien een pepermuntje? No, no. Grass is better. Dat moet dus ik net. Deze lijn krijgt op de doos. Sanne. Nou, ik ga weer. Doei!